Okay, so we're going to open up this laptop. Okay, I learned from ChatGPT. The display is black, and so first of all, let me open up ChatGPT here and make sure it says power off, did that. Unplug the charger, did that. Flip it over on the soft surface. Okay, so let's flip it over. So like this. And you need a screwdriver like this kind. Okay, so it can go in. Okay. And remove all the screws from the bottom panel. Gently pry open the bottom case. Okay. Locate the M.2 SSD flat stick screwed into the board. Unscrew the tiny screw holding it and slide, okay, horizontally. That's it. And you have the SSD. So this is how you take out the SSD. It's the hard drive that's in here. So let's go ahead and open up all these screws. Yeah. And to put the screws in, let's see, so I don't lose them. I seem to figure out why it keeps turning off. I spend so much money on electronics. It's crazy. The lights die out. I get a ring light. I have 2 ring lights that keep doing that to me. They just like shut off for no reason. Sick and tired of that. Okay, this is stuck or something. Okay, got it. Okay, so this one is the big one. The big one. It's the worst laptop to get, okay? So don't ever get Dell. The screens, like a lot of people are saying they're having the same problem. The display goes black and the keyboard stops working. Both those things, you can't do anything, can you then? Can't go into BIOS, you can't do nothing. So this was a $5,000 laptop when I got it. Such a waste of money. Yeah, $5,000, man. Wow. I could have gotten anything for that amount. If I knew that this laptop was going to be that bad, I would have never spent this much money. I should always do your research, I guess. I think, yeah. So now I'm like going to get a new one. And also, like, I got it from Best Buy too. Their warranty stuff is just one, you know, manufactured 1 year, that's it. Costco doesn't have the laptop I want, though. So I wanted to get it from Costco. But they don't have it in stock, the ones I want. So I don't know what I'm going to do about that. Anyways, I'm still taking out all these screws, so bear with me. I will, like, speed it up probably. Maybe. We'll see. Hopefully you guys can see, because I can't see what's happening anyways. Okay, I used this. Kind of got it half open. Okay, so let me see if I can continue opening this. Because, yeah. Okay. This one did not work, so. Finally, well, have it done here. Okay, there. Wow, how dusty it is. Okay, so now I think this is the SSD, I think. Yeah, it says SSD 1. And then there's the SSD 2. You can add another one. They always say take that off, so. Okay, so let's see. They say to take the battery off first. I'm trying to. I don't know how to do this. Okay. I don't know how to do it because it's not like the way they're showing me. Oop. not that easy. Like, and everything that they said, it's not easy at all. Ugh, finally. Look at that. Got it open. Okay, I'm just gonna kind of brush it so, you know, the dust and stuff. So, hold up. Well, you know what? You can watch me do it, because even though I won't be, I can't really use this one, but might as well just dust it up a little bit, just slightly. You don't want to break anything. Just doing it where the fans are. I'm using it's just a makeup brush. And I have dust allergies, so after this, so this is like, even if you just want to know how to open it up, but mostly the reason why I'm doing it is I want to, okay, I think that's good enough. Got the fans. Yeah, I don't want to touch the main circuit board, whatever. Okay, and even though it doesn't work, it doesn't really matter, but the items, I can still sell, that's why. So I think this is the hard drive, so I'm going to go ahead and open it. I think it's this one. And then I have to get that enclosure. So, okay, good. I'm going to put it over here. Okay, so that's just the top part. This is the battery. Okay, so you're supposed to move it horizontally. Like that. So easy. Perfect. So I don't want to ruin it. I'm just going to put it on here for now, like that. Because I don't want to ruin it. Just so, you know. I hope it's showing all of it, because I can't see if it is. Yeah, okay. Anyway, so that's that. I don't know where's the display, but I'm gonna leave it open, and how to open the lid. Okay, so you saw me unscrew it, and then I use this and to get in there and just lift the lid. So anyways, everything is done now. I got the SSD out. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it aside because I'm gonna buy the enclosure, so I can put this in the enclosure, and then I will yeah, okay. So thank you for tuning in, and if I do anything else, like for the RAM, I don't know which one of these is RAM, but because I want to sell the RAM and everything individually, I'm going to sell. Okay, take care. Bye guys.